Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought to you a recipe that is totally desi. It's my mom's recipe and it's called the Mooli paratha. So here are the ingredients. Please have a quick look at it. So here we've already grated the radish a night before, kept in the refrigerator all night, and in the morning we are squeezing it off to take away all the extra water that it retains. Radish retains a lot of water, so for while we put it all overnight, the trick here is we're just soaking the extra water up in the freezer, so the radish will not leave water while preparing them into a filling into the parathas. So once the filling you have made, you should use it instantly while making the parathas and not leave it for some time, because again the radish will leave all that water that is being soaked up overnight. So here we've put in some salt, then some coriander powder, then some red chili powder. Now if you're putting in green chilies as well, then you need to adjust the red chili powder accordingly. Then we'll put a bit of garam masala. Don't put a lot of it, because then it will give a burning sensation. Only just for flavor we need it. Then the amchur powder we would be adding. Again, it is for flavor itself, so not a lot of it. Mix it quite well so that all of the radish is covered with this masala. Now we'll put in some coriander leaves. So our filling is completely prepared. We would be filling this into our dough. Dough has already been prepared. It's the same way that you prepare your dough for other parathas. It's the same that you need to use it here. So we'll just take a ball of it. We'll spread the filling into this dough so that it's not accumulated at one place. It's spread all over the paratha. We'll close it up. Give it a quick roll. So this way your parathas will not tear off, and they would be really delicious. Our paratha is ready to be savored and we can munch it off with some curd, butter and achar. You can even have it as is. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear it from you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want more such recipes which are quick and easy to be prepared, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Till then, until next time, toodles!